Hello everyone, this is the Nacho Man Randy Sandwich, and I wanted to show you some other aspects of the Lenovo Yogabook, mainly just the speakers. After having a less than satisfactory experience with the microphone, I would like to, give some points back for the audio quality of the speakers. They sound fantastic, and that's one of the features that it's noted for. It's the Dolby and, whatever, put the word Dolby on anything. It sounds good though. So let's go to the first video here and play it, see what it sounds like. It's got a bunch of introductory videos, kind of cool. It's got a little bit of a punch to it, surprising for how thin this thing is. It's like, where's that sound coming from, you know what I mean? Let's go to the next video. You can hit escape, just like a computer. You can just treat it the same way. And running Android, it runs pretty similar to a computer. I like that. Similar to a desktop like Windows 10. You could double tap the window borders to minimize the windows. Say you're in like your Gmail, you can just kind of double tap up here. Oops, it's hard to do with the camera in my hand, but be nice if I could do it right. Yeah, but see, you see. I mean, if I had this thing sitting stationary, I could do it, but let's go to, I like this one, how to digitize your notes. This is cool. So haha, cool. It's like a magic trick, right? You write on the paper and then there it is on your tablet. Pretty cool. I don't know about practical, but it's really impressive. And how to multitask, this is kind of what I was trying to do a second ago. But you can see it in action right here. So 25 years later, we can minimize windows again. Cool, practical. I mean, Samsung's been doing it for a while, but that's cool. But also keep in mind that this Lenovo Yogabook for $50 more can run Windows 10, which is really nice. I personally, after reviewing this for a few weeks, I would go with the Windows 10 version. I can't say I would like Android on this thing as my daily driver, because I would just probably stick with a regular Android tablet where I believe it belongs. The keyboard is a nice addition, but the price line, get a full computer. That's my opinion.